Hey guys, welcome back. Angela here, and I just finished another painting using a skewer to paint with, and I'm gonna do another one. As you guys know, I like to practice my techniques until I am comfortable with them. So this is what I'm gonna use, a skewer, to paint this next one. I'm using a 12 by 12 canvas, and basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my white paint down first, and I will spread it. If you want to see the first one, it's actually the painting before this one, so check it out. It turned out pretty good. This time I'm gonna use different colors though. And basically what I want to do is, my aim is to see if I get cloudy effect from the satin enamels that I have on my base paint, and also the paint that I'm pouring down. Okay, so that is pretty good and saturated nice. The canvas is prepared in the back with a tape. And this is what I mean. I put a tape on the back of the canvas just so it doesn't get dirty when the paint goes over. So I've already put some paint on this, and basically what I did is put the white paint, and this white paint, it's just Artist Loft with satin enamels and some GAC 800. And if you want to see how I mix this, please check out video 25. And I really mentioned my the way I mix my paint on all my videos. So I do mention either what I've done or where you can go for reference. So this time I'm gonna put only two paint. I'm gonna put the white in both chambers, outer chambers, and then I will put Liquitex turquoise blue on one chamber, and then using Liquitex turquoise blue, pale green here, and both chambers, outer chambers, I will use the Artist Loft white, and that's with some satin enamels. And let me just show you what I mean by that. So Artist Loft will be this one, the floor acrylic, okay? And then I add satin enamels, which are these, and the recipe, yeah, these ones, and the recipe again is on video 25. Yeah, okay. And then I just add a little bit of GAC 800 water just for consistency. Okay, so this is our mixture. So this is what we're gonna be pouring on the canvas. So let's do this. I hope you can see what I'm doing. puffy clouds, look. They are beautiful puffy clouds. And I love the way that the paint is peeking out. See how it's peeking out from the clouds? This is just beautiful. Different from, wow, look at that big nice clouds there. Big nice cloud. Yeah, hopefully this is not going to dry wonky. I really love this one. Okay, so this is a wet result. I will show you the dry result. Thank you for being here.